When I think of classic cocktails, one of the first things I always think of is a Tom Collins. They even have a glass named after it. Why would you not think of a classic drink like this? I honestly feel like Cary Grant's just hanging out in a restaurant saying like, give me a Tom Collins. That's what he sounds like, guys. That's a great impression of Cary Grant. Give me a Tom Collins. This is how you make it. It's really simple, really easy, and you can impress your friends. Maybe, if they're into classic cocktails. Maybe they're not. Maybe they want rum and coke, then kick them out. First thing first, you're starting off with gin. So many classic cocktails start with gin. It's just such a great and versatile liquor. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of a London Dry gin in here. How many classic gin drinks have lemon in them? A lot, including the Tom Collins. I'm gonna put 1 ounce of lemon juice in here. Sploosh. You have to have a little sweetness in this. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of a simple syrup. Get out of the way, lid. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Oop. Throw this in with some ice. You're gonna shake it up. Let's not do that again. Turn it into a drink. Nice and chilly. Looking good. We're gonna strain this into a Collins glass. It's like they named it after the drink or something. I don't know. Just get a nice little strain going on in there. Make sure you got ice in the glass. That's a pro tip. We're gonna call that a pro tip. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna throw some club soda on there. Just top it off with club. Give it a nice little fizzy. Look at that. Doesn't that just look like a classic cocktail? Put yourself a little lime wedge on there. Boop. Or that's not a lime at all. That's an orange. It's been a long day, y'all. Give me a straw. Give it a taste. I'm making so many refreshing beverages today. It must be summer. I had somebody ask me once if they could use tonic water instead of club soda. No, don't use tonic water instead of club soda. You will have an entirely different thing and you might not like the result. Maybe you will. So that's it, a Tom Collins. If you want to be classy and hang out and be kind of like Cary Grant back in the day, you can order one of these things, or you can make one at home and be really cool and impress all your friends. If you want to see more recipes of classic cocktails, or even ones that we make up on our own, you should totally click right over there and see more videos. You should also click down there and subscribe, click the bell, and don't forget the first Thursday of every month we have the This Doesn't Suck Test Kitchen, where we make new cocktails from scratch live with guests, and it's tons of fun and you should be there. I want to keep drinking this though because this really doesn't suck and it's a hot day outside. Oh yeah.